Quick repeat, you have a phrase, then a verb, then an ending, and that equals a sentence. But we're going to learn about something called a combiner. A combiner enhances a sentence by, well, using one of these two words here, and there are more that you will learn in the future, but right now we know pero, which means but, and porque, which means because. It works like this. You have a phrase, then a verb, then an ending, but then you add a combiner, then you add another phrase, and then even another verb and an ending if necessary, but this equals a sentence. Here are some examples, using the word pero and also porque as combiners. Me gustaría comer contigo, pero no es posible. This means, I would like to eat with you, but it is not possible. Me gusta comer aquí porque es importante. I like to eat here because it's important. Okay, pronouns. The words te, me, and lo can only be used after a verb, and they will be attached to the verb. It cannot be used after a phrase or an ending. For example, you cannot say, me gusta te. A lot of beginning students say this, and they think they're saying, I like you, but that it doesn't work in Spanish like that. Please don't say it. Okay, add these words directly to the end of the verb. When it's spoken, it will be right after the verb, and when it's written also, it'll be added to the verb. Me gustaría hablarte, which means I would like to speak to you. No es posible comprarme. Not super practical, but this means it is not possible to buy me. Es importante comerlo. Means it is important to eat it. Okay, let's go with our statements using our new words from this unit. Remember to repeat after me. Me gusta comprar tacos porque es importante. This means I like to buy tacos because it's important. Te gusta comer chocolate conmigo, pero no es posible. You like to eat chocolate with me, but it is not possible. Me gustaría darte chocolate allí. This means I would like to give you chocolate over there. Te gustaría pagarme porque es fácil. Meaning, you would like to pay me because it's easy. Okay, gonna use some questions now using our words. ¿Te gustaría comer conmigo? Meaning, would you like to eat with me? ¿Te gusta hablar inglés? Meaning, do you like to speak English? Here are some negatives. Remember, we're going to implement the word no. No me gusta practicar contigo. Meaning, I don't like to practice with you. No te gusta comer aquí. Meaning, you don't like to eat here. No me gustaría comprar chocolate. Meaning, I would not like to buy chocolate. No te gustaría pagarme. Which means, you would not like to pay me.